actually two houses scrapped together. The left portion was originally built on 2nd Avenue South near Main Street in 1867 for Samuel P. Starrett. Sam served as a soldier during the Civil War. During one battle, an artillery shell struck Sam in the head and eventually caused him to go blind. I'll show you guys a picture of good old Sam. Nope. There he is. After the war, Sam came to Anoka with his wife, Janine. Despite his visual impairment, Sam served as the Anoka postmaster for 5 years, probably with the help of his wife when it came to hand sorting the mail. That portion of the house nearly missed being destroyed by a huge fire in 1884 that consumed much of downtown Anoka. 3 years later, in 1887, it was moved to this location and grafted onto the right corner of the house. It looks seamless from the outside, but on the inside there was a step down when going from left to right sections on the 2nd floor, and the roof line needed to be fudged when the home was re-roofed. Past and present homeowners think Sam or other ghosts may still be around. So the home has some photographs of the Starrett family and of Sam that were left with the house. The lady of the house decided to rearrange them, so she moved the picture of Sam from one wall, hung it on the opposite wall. The next morning, not only was the picture not on the wall where she had hung it, it was on the opposite side of the room. After it happened a couple more times, she realized this is where Sam wants his picture, and this is where it'll stay. The homeowners' grandchildren visit them frequently. One day she was in the kitchen when her youngest grandson asked, "Grandma, who is that man standing over there?" Grandma saw no one. She believed he saw the ghost of Sam. When they moved in, the current homeowners initially blamed their cat Leo for some of the occurrences. In fact, in the front parlor room, one book from a stack on the coffee table would constantly be found on the floor. The gentleman heard the book slide and fall from the other room. He was about to blame the cat once again when he looked outside and saw Leo walking across the lawn. Some think Sam is still here, and this is why. On the first ghost tour we led, someone took a picture of the house. It looks like Sam is standing in the porch, and Sam is known for wearing suspenders and a white t-shirt. So I will actually hang on to this and have you guys come up and take a look at it, since I only have one flashlight working. So, can you guys see Sam?
I wonder where we're supposed to look at. Oh, wow. Yeah, I see that now.
Mm-hmm.
All right. I wonder if I might get a picture or not. I'll see what happens. Sorry.
Right there. You guys gonna see that? I don't really want to see if you guys can find it.
I'll do it as we walk.
Right
there.
That house there.
Right behind you.
Wait, the house is behind you?
Right there. I can kind of see a face.
Oh, excuse me.
Now.
Ma'am,
Yep.
did you say the house is the one right there?
Yep, it's that one right across the street.
Okay.
Yep.
I'm going to take a picture real quick.